Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing a unboxing and it's from Louis Vuitton. So anyways, as you all know in the title by now, this is the key pouch. I know I already had a key pouch from Gucci and the Louis Vuitton itself, but this was the Damier Ebene, and I'm gonna compare it to you guys. So if you watch my unboxing, Louis Vuitton unboxing key pouch, you know that I've been wanting the monogram print and also the mini pochette accessories, which is I ordered both. So the mini pochette accessories will arrive tomorrow, and I'm also gonna do an unboxing for you guys, and I'm really excited. But anyways, today is for the key pouch. So I received this really quick. It was like a 2 or 3 day shipping. So it's just, I already opened it up so it's easier for me. So I got here the Louis Vuitton, and I think this is the receipt and the return. I'm just gonna show you guys really quick. Comes with this like orange classic paper, and it says, I think this is the receipt. Or yeah, this is the receipt. Let me just put this aside. And then yeah, the return in case if I need to return if there's damage or anything. All right, so let me just put this back real quick. All right, so let's move on to the box. Oh my goodness. So I know I already, like I said, I already have the Damier Ebene, which is I just took it out the box. It's in the dust bag, but this is my another key pouch, but like I said, I'm gonna compare it. But anyways, comes with this little cute box, and if you're planning to give this to your loved one or anything, they come up with this, so you can just like put like your notes and stuff. But yeah, that's that. So let's just unbox this. Okay, right here, I literally didn't open this because like I want to do like unboxing. I want to see my reaction too, so oh my goodness. And here, now let's take it out of the box. Right there, that's the dust bag. Smells funny. I don't know, but smells funny. All right, so her out. You guys, look at her. Oh my god, she's so pretty. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view. Right there. Alright, so where is my Damier print? So this is the Damier Ebene, and this is the monogram print. So oh my god, I get the two. And I don't know, I'm not really crazy about the azure, is that how you called it? But maybe I'm gonna get one for just for my collection. But this is the Damier Ebene, and this is the monogram print. And I'm gonna like, okay, that's kind of smooth, and it has this right here. I know it's already probably like made in the US. It's not like made in Italy or something, because if it's made in Italy it will say here on the back made in Italy, but it just says Louis Vuitton. If you don't see made in Italy print, this is most likely made in the US. But yeah, I'm just looking for anything, if there's scratches or any damage. Okay, there's no damage. And I'm also looking at the stitches, because I don't know if this is like handmade, but yeah, the stitches are nice. And this is the logo, I mean the gold detail right there where you put your key right there, and same as in this one, it's gold detail. I'm trying to see, this is more shiny than the zipper gold, I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but this is like a shiny gold and this is not shiny gold. Let me see that on the mirror event. Yeah, well, yeah, they are the same though. Yeah, this is shiny, but the zipper one is not. So this is the side-by-side comparison here. Inside with the zipper, and this side with the, you know, where you can put your keys. They're really shiny. They're both shiny. Like I said, if you haven't watched my comparison and how many card slots that can fit in the key pouch, I will just put it in the description box below, or I can show you guys. This is like my Gucci. I've been loving this Gucci so much. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna like transfer my key on my Gucci in here. So if you're gonna open this, what you're gonna do is just like pull this up, this one right here, you're gonna pull. There you go. And I'm gonna put my car key and my house key in here, just so you guys can see what it looks like right there. Right there. Guys, I'm gonna put some cards in here and also some cash, because I do have some cash. I got 1 2 3 4 5 6, have 6 cards. I'm just gonna put it here. I barely now, like, I don't put so many cards in my key pouch because I'm trying to like minimize my, you know, minimize the space as well. So I just have to make sure that I have my license, I have my green card, or I have my medical insurance card, and some, you know, some membership cards. So I have a BJ's membership cards, and I have a 1 debit card, and also 1 credit card. So that's really about it. So this is how many again? 2, 6 cards right there. And you still have space, and I do have some cash in here. I'm just gonna transfer the cash that I have from my Gucci and see. Oh my god, I have to do it like, hold on, let's just see. I don't know how much cash I have, but I'm just gonna try to fold this like this and put it in the Louis Vuitton. All right, so that has space, so when you zip it, that was easy zip. And open it again, zip it up. That was easy. So that's that. So if you like, you guys, I was lucky that, you know, I was just literally randomly scrolling, my goodness, scrolling to the LV site, and then for some reason, maybe because like all the Louis Vuitton store are closed, you know, due to the coronavirus. I feel like they were stocking some of like the pieces that's really hard to get. Like even I was really shocked when I got the mini pochette accessories, but it was so quick, you guys. They really sold out fast. And if you've been eyeing this key pouch, I know they're really hard to get, especially, you know, they really sold out really quick once like they're up on the website. Like me, I was before, like, I really want this. Like, you guys know my struggles when I went to South Carolina, and, you know, I ended up have this instead, but, you know, that's fine. But now that I have these, that's, you know, that's more, you know, I'm kind of happy about that. So I can like pair it with my Louis Vuitton Speedy. So if, you know, if I wear this bag, or if I use this bag, I can just like, you know, mix them together, or like, you know, use it. But anyways, these is okay. The price, before I even forgot, I believe the price went up. Even the pochette accessories, before it was 310. I'm not sure, but before, when like a year or two ago, it was 310. Now it's $350. But I pay for the key pouch is 300. No, not 300, it was 200 something. Oh my god, there's no price in here. Just give me 1 second, you guys. All right, so the price for the key pouch is or key-less is $210, and my tax is $12.60. So overall it's $222.60. so that's, you know, the price. I know it's kind of pricey for a key pouch, but I don't know, I'm loving, and I'm kind of like collecting the Louis Vuittons now, and I'm really happy that I got my hand on the monogram print, which is their like really famous print. And I also like this. It's really like very low-key type of print. This is the Demir bin. But yeah, that's that, you guys. I'm also gonna do like an unboxing tomorrow if the mini pochette accessories arrive, so watch out for that. And I'm also gonna do a giveaway soon. I'm gathering and I'm thinking what type of giveaway I'm gonna do, because since I reached 1,000 subscribers, and you know that's not gonna happen if you guys don't subscribe or even watch my videos. And I really appreciate you guys for even just watching and clicking the subscribe button. It really means to me. And also, you know, if you haven't followed me in my Instagram, just go to my Instagram and follow me there, because I will most likely announce the giveaway on how, like the rules of the giveaway, or I'll probably do like a separate video for that. But anyways, I'm just trying to gather what I can do or what I can give back to you guys. So without further ado, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this, and be safe out there. Stay safe. Just please wash your hands, and you know, just stay home, you know what I mean. But yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.